Hi guys, well, a quick intro into this video. It's been made about 3 months ago. I was going to post it up last month. It would have been 2 months late then. I do say in the video it's July, it's not, it's September, and I think it's the 19th or 20th today. And I have got another video in the pipeline as well, which I was going to show you on Sunday. I've got to make it, I've got it all the stuff put together. There's a few little bits I need to add. However, I've got this video, and every time I come to put it up I've always got another one. So what I'm doing, I'm throwing this up now for you all to see. Like I say, it was the first 6 months of the year. It just shows you how everything changed over the year, and it's completely changed again since the video. But you'll get to see that. We get to see part 2 at Christmas. So here the video comes from the start to the finish. Hi guys, well in this episode I'm going to show you 6 small clips of different positions around the plot over the last 6 months. So there's 6 clips lasting no more than a minute apiece, and it just gives you a couple of views from different angles around the plot, and it gets to show you how things started to progress up until June, and that's where we end the video. Obviously we've still got the rest of the year to go. A bit late with this one. I should have put it out in June. It's now July, and not that it matters, but this I'm just doing this as a record for myself. It's a good idea for you to do pretty much the same. Probably do it with pictures, just to give you an idea what come up when, what time of year, how well it come up. And then next year you can look back at the video before you make your plans, and you can change them to suit and make everything look a little bit better or a little bit different. So anyway, I've added some music to this video, and so here it comes. So there you go, that's what it's looked like for the first 6 months on the allotments. It started off pretty drab, we're in snow. We managed to move the shed out. You notice the shed moved around about the end of February, and that was when I put me garlic in, and something funny's happened to me garlic. I'll show you that in the next episode when I harvest it, along with the shallots and the onions, and there's a few other things that I've got to lift out as well. So that's also coming in the next episode. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed the clip. Until next time, goodbye for now.